All right, so pricing microgreens, I will include with the replays of this. Sorry, for pricing microgreens, I have a chef template that you guys can use. You can literally in Canva change the crops that you offer, change the prices if you want, drop in your logo to the little drop zone, and you can have a price sheet in about 5 minutes. If you're completely unsure of what to price microgreens for in your market, I would recommend pricing with what I have on there or starting a little lower. And then once you have a couple chef clients, ask them to see their distributor pricing, or if they could share what comparable to what you're offering size wise, what they are. You can always increase your prices, but it's sometimes harder to decrease. But in general, for chefs, we have our basic micros, which is like red acre cabbage, spicy salad mix, pea shoots, tendril peas, some of our mixed radish trio, all the radishes. And we have a 4-ounce price and an 8-ounce price. And then we have a specialty category, and it's a 4-ounce container, the same container we use for 4 ounces of the basics, but it's by volume. It's a 24-ounce volume container, and we just fill it because those crops that are specialty are usually micro herbs and things that are light and fluffy like cilantro or chervil, leeks, and some of the other specialty things. Or if I have a basic micro that's kind of lower yielding, possibly like arugula, I would include it in that specialty side. Just if you're getting less than like 4 ounces off of a tray of something, I would likely price it specialty. But I try and keep pricing simple. I never do by the pound or have 20 different prices, one for each crop. Like, you want it to be kind of like a menu at a restaurant. It's basic and easily structured. And you might have some that are more profitable than others, but you kind of want to group them either specialty or basic so that it makes sense for you and that total it's profitable. The next is direct to consumer. So I do 1.5 ounces of basic microgreens and then 3 ounces of pea shoots or like sunflower shoots. And again, that's weight. I sell those for, we sell them retail for $5 here. I've seen people do $6, $7. Some people do, like 2 ounces of the basic micros, in a container, and then they'll sell that for $6 or $7. So it just depends on for direct to consumer. Look around your area. There's other growers, I'm sure, which isn't a bad thing, but look at what people are selling for, what size, weight, and then you want to kind of price yourself in there. And then to be competitive, obviously you want to offer, good customer service, good branding, and build relationships with people. You can do things like education and stuff too, to kind of help have yourself stand out in your market. And then wholesale, I kind of went over this. Again, wholesale, I'm talking about CSA brokers, local farms, or even like grocery would be about 30 to 50% off of your retail price. So again, for our 1.5 ounce and 3 ounce sells for $5, I wholesale them $3.50 or $3.75, depending on the person.